Oj, så
tomorrow may be frozen, I know we can break the ice. Cause the things that I am living for I cannot sacrifice. I know you are waiting to be found by me somewhere beyond my fate. Now I'm left without a meaning for the tears upon my face. I can't focus in a corner of this crazy spinning world, and every single breath I take is like a scream that can be heard. And in 1,000 moments, if we might meet again, then we'll smile through this error just to make it to the end. I remembered again how this land I gaze upon is a place I know I love, but the horrors I found in the far lands abound. Livable as they may be, still they're suffocating me. We'll keep existing and never know the meaning of all of this repeating. These nights depressed and anxious, still we keep on crawling forward and screaming forth, and leave them all astonished that we were here at all. When I finally can dream again of what may lie ahead, I am bleeding for you not to hide your loneliness again. I know you are waiting to be found by me somewhere beyond my fate. Now I'm left without a meaning for the tears upon my face. To live a life with someone else who may be more than all the rest. Gotta walk into the world where we once smiled and pretend. Because of all my love for you, this is the life I lead. It's okay if no one else is in the mirror when I see myself. But still I see you. Dead, but still I see you. The answer is clear, but the words won't come. Though tomorrow may be frozen, I know we can break the ice. But I felt inside a memory inside me spark a light. I know you are waiting to be found by me somewhere beyond my fate. Now I'm left without a meaning for the tears upon my face. And now it's getting hard to breathe, I'm giving everything I've got, but I cannot stop the pain cause it's just hurting too much. I'll live the way I like, the way I wanna live my life, cause the future that I choose is full of happiness and light. That we were here at all.